why is it a big difference in between millennials' emotions and Gen Z's emotions? Like you said, there are many Gen Zs who are committing suicide because of their breakups, but we have never seen कि कोई मिलेनियल या फिर उससे पुरानी जनरेशन सिर्फ ब्रेकअप की वजह से उसने क्या बोलते हैं अपना सुसाइड कर लिया हो। उनके तो ऐसा होता था कि सोच ही नहीं सकते थे प्यार व्यार करना है उस जमाने में। बहुत अगर मतलब 80% of the Indians didn't thought about it, I'm sure.
Very interestingly, I think मतलब I beg to differ. हमारी ये जो रांझा हीर और ये रोमियो जूलियट है, it's all generations of like it's the same story repeating.
Yeah.
I think आजकल again वो फोन हाथ में आने से, डेटिंग एप्स होने से it's so much faster. पहले के टाइम पे आप अपनी कॉलोनी से बाहर नहीं निकल पाते थे, राइट? योर डेट वाज योर नेक्स्ट डोर नेबर. राइट नाउ आई कैन टॉक टू अ पर्सन बेस्ड इन द यूएस एंड वी कुड स्टिल बी डेटिंग. सो ये सब चीजें हो सकता है डेटिंग बढ़ी है जेन जी में, वेरी ट्रू, बट दैट्स बिकॉज हमारे पास रिसोर्सेज हैं.
ओके, तो एक तरीके से दुनिया बड़ी हो गई है, लेकिन फिर भी अभी भी टायर 2 सिटीज, टायर 3 सिटीज हैं, गांव हैं हमारे यहाँ, ठीक है? तो हाउ कैन यू डिफाइन कि एक सिटी का, एक मेट्रो सिटी का जेन जी टायर 2, टायर 3 या फिर गांव के जेन जी से अलग होगा कैसे?
You know, it's so interesting that when I see Gen Zs in therapy with me, I cannot point out the difference. कि कोई इंदौर से है या दिल्ली से है या जबलपुर से है या रांची से है या you know साउथ में किसी स्टेट से है. They are all sort of speaking the same language, and why is because we're actually watching the same content.
दुनिया बढ़ गई है.
Yeah, दुनिया वैसे हमें लग रहा है बढ़ गई है, but we're all watching the same content. We're all watching the same reels, same memes. एक रांची में बैठे या इंदौर में बैठे जेंजी को भी पता है एंजाइटी थोड़ा बहुत, और एक दिल्ली में, बैंगलोर में या ऐसे कुछ मेट्रो सिटीज में भी रहते के जेंजी को भी पता है कि ओ दिस इज एंजाइटी एंड लेट मी गो एंड सीक हेल्प. Right, for sure there must be differences in exposure. There must be differences in you know the kind of lifestyle you may be leading. But all of that is very, it's from a psychological point of view बहुत minimal वो difference है. That people today, even semi urban India, even rural India से आप कितने influencers देख रहे हैं जो Instagram पे reels बना रहे हैं, and they're watching a lot of stuff. Right, so ये globalization भी, I would also you know go ahead and say कि कोई US का Gen Z भी है, that person is also not very different from me. Because again you're watching the same content all over the world. आजकल एक tier 2 सिटी वाले को भी, एक Gen Z को जो pop culture follow करता है, उसको पता है Dua Lipa got married. And he has seen the pictures. She has seen the pictures, right? So we're all sort of connecting on that.
Because you just told me about social media, we all know what's going on in Iran or US or even in Afghanistan.
Yeah,
you must have heard news about Afghanistan, right?
Yes, for sure.
So अभी एक फेमिनिज्म को लेकर काफी ज्यादा चीजें देखी जा रही हैं कि लोग फेमिनिज्म के ऊपर बात करते हैं. हाउ इज जेन जी लुकिंग आफ्टर इट?
I would say बहुत ही mixed वो हैं. Feminism started off as a really good movement, and feminism all it talks about is equality. If I say it precisely, तो equity. Equality तो कभी हो ही नहीं सकती है.
And there's no,
we can't biologically be equal,
we can't
but
be
psychologically and emotionally and socially, especially socially, socio-culturally, एक equity आ सकती है कि same level of cerebral opportunities हर एक gender को मिले, even the third gender. Right, today in feminism has become about intersectional feminism. It's not about man and women. It's also about the third gender. It's also about the LGBTQI plus community. It's inclusivity की बात कर रहे हैं हम, equality की उस तरीके से बात कर रहे हैं कि सब, हर एक anti caste, anti religion, right, anti gender. Some people are non-binary as well. They don't want to be associated with any gender, so to say. So we are sort of including everyone in this picture of feminism. So एक तरीके से feminism का lens और deepen हो गया है. In fact, I was reading this कि एक सर्वे में मोस्टली like 53 to 86% women, and I'm loosely giving these numbers in a survey, they were, these women were directly saying it out loud that I'm a feminist, right? While at the same time, there are also researches which was done on random surveys done on men, which found out that men, some 30% of men still feel like women should obey their husbands, right? So I wouldn't say change इतना ज़्यादा आ गया है कि we are now turning into a matriarchy, और how people are saying कि अब तो नहीं ज़रूरत है feminism की, बिल्कुल ज़रूरत है. And I think Gen Zs are more vocal about these things. Gender norms, for example, काफ़ी हद तक decrease हो रहे हैं. Even though there's that 30% of men who would still feel that way, there's also a big chunk of men
70% of men there are
who would
still-
feel कि नहीं, I should also cook and you can also earn,
Hmm.
right? So gender norms कम हो रहे हैं. There is more equality in field
Hmm.
as well, workplace में, घरों में. So I think Gen Z is really trying to break, just deepen,
The stereotype.
yeah.